Pi News World stands as a trusted source for verified and accurate updates about Pi Network. With a strong commitment to truth and transparency, the platform ensures that all information is based on official announcements and real developments within the Pi ecosystem. By avoiding fake news and misleading hype, Pi News World provides its audience with reliable insights. This dedication helps users stay informed and confident about the ongoing progress of Pi Network. Pi Network has reached several important milestones in its development, most notably the launch of its open mainnet on February 20th, 2025. This pivotal event allows Pi to connect securely with external networks and systems, greatly expanding its utility beyond its original ecosystem. With the open mainnet, users and developers can now interact with a broader range of compliant platforms, paving the way for new applications and services. These advancements highlight Pi Network's commitment to growth and innovation within the evolving cryptocurrency landscape. Pi Network has made significant strides in regulatory compliance by publishing a MiCA-compliant white paper. This document outlines the network's tokenomics, risk factors, and a clear schedule for public trading, aligning PiCoin with the European Union's crypto asset regulations. As a result, PiCoin is now positioned for legal listings across EU member states, enhancing its credibility and accessibility. Following the announcement, PiCoin experienced a notable market uptick, reflecting increased investor confidence and a growing sense of legitimacy within the broader cryptocurrency landscape. The Pi Network ecosystem has experienced remarkable growth in recent months. Over 13 million users have successfully migrated to the mainnet, signaling strong community engagement and trust in the platform's evolution. Developers within the network have launched thousands of decentralized applications, broadening the utility and appeal of Pi. Events such as PiFest have further showcased this momentum, with more than 125,000 merchants participating and accepting Pi payments. These milestones reflect a vibrant and expanding ecosystem, positioning Pi Network as a significant player in the cryptocurrency landscape. Pi Network places a strong emphasis on user security, recognizing the risks associated with digital assets. The platform regularly issues official safety notices to inform users about potential scams and fraudulent activities. Users are advised to remain vigilant, only interact with verified communication channels, and avoid sharing sensitive information with untrusted sources. These proactive measures are designed to help protect the community's assets and maintain trust within the ecosystem. By prioritizing security, Pi Network aims to provide a safer environment for all participants. PiCoin has demonstrated notable stability in the cryptocurrency market, with recent trading data highlighting its steady performance. As of December 24th, 2025, PiCoin is trading at $0.2037, reflecting a slight increase of 0.00706% from the previous close. The intraday high reached $0.2059, while the low was $0.2016, indicating relatively narrow price fluctuations. This consistency suggests that PiCoin is maintaining a solid presence, supported by ongoing developments and growing user adoption within the Pi Network ecosystem. Such market dynamics underscore PiCoin's potential as a reliable digital asset amid a rapidly evolving crypto landscape. As Pi Network continues to evolve, its recent achievements underscore a strong foundation for future growth. The journey so far highlights the importance of patience and steadfast optimism among its community and supporters. With regulatory milestones, expanding adoption, and a focus on security, Pi Network is positioning itself as a significant player in the cryptocurrency landscape. For those who believe in its vision, the future holds exciting possibilities. Remaining patient and informed will be key as Pi Network moves forward on its promising path.